Hello and welcome. Today, I'll show you how to join Woodolex using standard PVA glue. What we will use: standard PVA glue available at any local store, a small container, a brush or roller, clamps, MDF pieces to prevent marks from clamps. Pour a small amount of PVA glue into a container. Do not add water. This strengthens the glue for a solid bond. Use a brush or a roller to apply the glue evenly on both pieces of Woodolex. While a brush works well, a roller provides better and more even coverage. Apply glue evenly to both surfaces without excess. Use it like you would on wood. Once the glue is applied, press the two pieces of Woodolex together. Secure them with clamps, placing MDF pieces under the clamps to prevent marks on the surface. There is no need to rush. PVA glue does not set instantly, allowing for careful adjustments. Leave the glued Woodolex to cure for 48 hours before removing the clamps. After 48 hours, remove the clamps and inspect the joint. To test the bond, we cut through the glued section. And as you can see, the result is flawless. There are no air bubbles, no gaps, just a perfect joint. Now, let's test its flexibility. We speed up the video so as not to bore you. We heat the bonded piece to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius and try bending it. Even after multiple bends, the joint remains strong with no cracks. Next, we increase the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius for an extreme test. The result: the bond remains intact, proving that PVA glue is reliable and cost-effective for joining Woodolex. PVA glue is widely available, affordable, and works exceptionally well for bonding Woodolex. Please remember always to follow health and safety procedures and maintain a safe work environment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.